This is another Where's My Money video. I have been talking about setting expectations, and I find there are certain things that people expect when they start working with me, either as a beneficiary or a trustee. And one of them has to do with accountings. Now, I had a previous video where I talked about an accounting from a trustee's perspective, but this time I want to talk about accounting when you're the beneficiary. So the thing to know that is, in California, every beneficiary of an irrevocable trust is entitled to an accounting. So take the very standard vanilla situation. Your mother passed away. She was the surviving parent of yours, and at her death, your sister administers the estate. In that circumstance, you are entitled to an accounting of everything she had done as the trustee. You can waive that and say, "Oh no, I trust you. I don't need an accounting. Let's not spend time and energy." But it is something that you are allowed to receive. And I had a client in my office the other day, and she already had received the vast majority of the estate that her brother was handling when their mother died. The brother had not given her any accounting at all. They didn't have the best relationship. I wouldn't say it was horrible, but it certainly wasn't close. And so we had a discussion, is it worth pursuing this or letting sleeping dogs slide? And she just decided at this point it is not worth addressing. Just let it go. But if she would have known on the front end that she had a right to an accounting, she might have asked for an accounting. Now, some people say, like, why is this taking so long? I'm a beneficiary. This should be going so fast. You should know that if the trustee is doing their job, one of the things they are likely doing, hopefully doing, if they have a good attorney helping them, is putting an accounting together for you to review. Why would you want an accounting? Well, it makes perfect sense. Not everyone who's in charge of a trust is honest. Some people use the trust funds as their own checkbook. Some people self-deal. Some people steal. Some people use information to control a situation to get back at beneficiaries who they don't like. There are all sorts of ulterior motives. But the nice thing about an accounting, if you have a good, honest trustee, is that it keeps everyone on the up and up. And it puts a path forward for people to follow where they are less tempted. As they say, like in Catholicism, you remove the occasion for sin. You know, people will follow the path. And if they know that everyone can see every penny that was spent and ask questions, they are more likely to be careful, thoughtful, methodical about what they're doing as trustee than if nobody was looking at all. So if you are a beneficiary and haven't heard boo, and a trust has been going on for some time, perhaps you might want to consider gently asking the trustee whether they are going to be providing an accounting. It certainly is worth the time and energy to actually see those numbers on the page. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you so much for watching.